Welcome to online classes DO Nalgonda. I am Ankam Srinivas. In previous class, we learned about the area of triangle, and we have to now in this case find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are given order -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 5. To find the area of quadrilateral, first to divide given quadrilateral into two triangles. Now joining AC and the diagonal AC divides a quadrilateral ABC into two triangles. So to find the area of triangle ABCD, area of quadrilateral ABCD, we have to find the area of triangle ABC, this area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ACD. So first we are dividing into the given quadrilateral into two parts and using by formula area of triangle of x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Then we will get the area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ACD separately, and add them we will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So as per given previous formula, you can find the area of ABCD, triangle area of ACD, and this work do yourself and find the area of ABC separately, area of triangle ACD separately, add them, we will get an answer. This is work for you, do yourself. Now using the another method, crisscross method. In previous area of triangle, to find the area of triangle without formula, I explained one method, crisscross method. In the same crisscross method you can apply to find the area of quadrilateral. How to find? Let's see. Area of quadrilateral ABCD of, write the given vertices -4, -2 and second point -3, -5, third one 3, -2 and fourth one 2, 3, and repeat the first vertex as it is -4, -2. Now same method, the process to write the vertices, first vertex, second one, third one, fourth one, write the first one, repeat as it is. Now find the product of AD, and here of minus of minus plus 4 5s are 20, and here minus of minus plus 3 2s are 6 plus, and product of these two 3 3s are 9, and here minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4 -4, and minus of and remaining parts. What is the remaining here? Product of these two, minus of minus become plus 2 3s are 6, and minus of plus minus 5 3s are 15, and product of these two, minus of plus become minus 2 2s are 4, and last one plus of minus 3 4s are 12, and here of 20 plus 6 26, 26 plus 9 35, 35 minus 4 minus, and sum of the negative numbers become negative number, 6 minus 5 minus 15 9 minus 19 minus 19 plus 12. How much? 31. Of 35 minus 4. 35 minus 4 will get the 31. And you can solve the minus 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 21 and minus 31. Minus 31 minus 6 will get the 25. Minus of minus become plus 25. Then we'll get here of 25 plus 31, 56. So we'll get here half of 56, we'll get the 28 square units. So using by crisscross method, you can find easily short time the area of the quadrilateral. You can follow this method in any competition examination also. Now let's learn another concept depend on the area of a triangle. Now area of triangle. How to form a triangle? If you take the 3 points in a plane which are non-collinear points, then suppose if you take A, B, C, the triangles, these 3 are non-collinear points. Now if you take the 3 non-collinear points, they form a triangle. Suppose if I take the 3 points collinear, that means the 3 points lie on the same straight line. Can you form a triangle in this case? Let's try. No, not possible, because it forms a only straight line, not form a triangle. So if you take the 3 points are collinear, it not form a triangle. That means here no triangle. No triangle means here no area of triangle. So to check whether the given points collinear or not, you have to find the area of triangle. If area of triangle become a 0, then given points are collinear. If area of triangle non-collinear, then area will get the some figure. So to check whether the given points are collinear or not, you have to find the area of triangle. Now take the 3 points 1, minus 1, 4, 1 and minus 2, minus 3, and let of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So find the area of triangle as per given vertices. Let us suppose name of these are A, B, C. Now find the area of triangle ABC. We know the formula of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Using this formula, we have to find the area of triangle. If we get the 0, they become a collinear. Let's see. 1 by 2 of x1, 1 of y2 minus y3, 1 minus or minus plus. Next x2, y3 minus y1, minus 3, minus of minus 1 plus 1, x3 minus 2 and y1 minus y2, minus 1 minus 1. Then we will get here of 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4 of minus 2, minus 2 of minus 2. Then here we will get of 4 ones are 4, minus 8 minus of minus plus 4. Then here we will get 1 by 2 into 0. So 0. What is the area of triangle? 0. That means given points are collinear. So if area of triangle become a 0, then given points become a collinear. So given points are collinear. This is the process to show the collinear points. And one more problem from exercise 7.3. If 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1 and 3 comma k are collinear points, then find the k value. He already mentioned the given points are collinear. If given points are collinear, what do you know? The area of triangle become a 0. So we have to take area of triangle as 0. First write the given points: 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1 and 3 comma k. And area of triangle, let us suppose A and B, C. Now write the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Since they are collinear points, given information. That's a given information. What is given information? Collinear points. Find the area of triangle. We know that of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So x1 7 of y2 minus y3 1 minus k plus x2 5 y3 minus y1 k minus of minus plus x3 and y1 minus y2 minus y2 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. And here 7 of k minus 1, we will get the 7 into 7 7 minus 7 into minus k minus 7k plus 5 into k 5k 5 into 2 5 2s are 10. And here 3 minus 2 plus minus 1, sum of negative numbers gives negative number, minus 3 into plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0 into 2 by 1 become a 0. And here 7 plus 10 minus 9, 7 plus 10 17 minus 9 we will get the 8 minus 7k plus 5k, 7 minus 5 2, 7 as negative number we will get the negative 2k equal to 0. Now transfer right side, 8 transfer right side, minus 2k equal to minus 8 and minus will be get cancel and 2k equal to 8, then k equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4, 2 1s are 2 4s are, so k equal to 4. Very easy problem. You may get this type of question for 2 marks questions. Sometime may ask in half mark also. When we ask the question for 1 mark, half mark, you have to follow the crisscross method, shortest method. We know that what is shortest method? 7 half of area 7 minus 2 5 1 3k and 7 minus 2. And using this process, already we discussed about the area of the triangle. Using this process, you know, using by this process you can solve very easily. And so in exercise 7.1, he given two problems. Show that given points are collinears. Check whether given points are form a triangle. So on that exercise problem also, using area of triangle, if we get the area of triangle 0, given points are collinears. If given points area of triangle as given vertices, if not get the 0, then form a triangle. So using this concept, you have to solve in your textbook exercise 7.3 first bit and the second bit problems. Now we will discuss another problem in exercise 7.3. Third question. Find the area of triangle found by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of given triangle. So given, first you take the given points. Let A 0, -1 and B 2, 1 and C 0, 3 and draw a triangle. Let us suppose is the A 0, -1 is the B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. Now first we have to find the midpoint of sides of a triangle. Let us suppose midpoint of this all triangle ABC D and midpoint of AC E and this is the F. So we have to going to find the midpoint of BC, AC and AB. What is the midpoint formula? We know that midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now here D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, F is the midpoint of AB. Find the midpoint of BC, D equal. D is the midpoint of BC. So sum of the x coordinates 2 plus 0 by 2, 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. And here 2 plus 0, 2, 2 by 2 equal to 1. And 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 by 2, 2. So midpoint of D become 1, 2. And find the E. What is the E? E equal to midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. What is the midpoint? Sum of the first coordinate 0 plus 0 by 2. 0 plus 0 by 2 and 3 plus -1. 3 minus 1 by 2. We will get here 0 by 0 plus 0, 0, 0 by 2, 0 and 3 minus 1, 2 and 2 by 2 equal to 1. And third one F. F equal midpoint of B, A, B. Midpoint of A and B. This is the midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB. Now here what is the sum of the first coordinate? 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 by 2, comma, second coordinates 1 plus minus 1, 1 plus minus 1 by 2. Here 0 plus 2, 2, 2 by 2 equal to 1, and 1 minus 1, 0, 0 by 2, 0 by 2 always 0. So we had find the coordinates of midpoints of given sides of a triangle. Now we have to find area of triangle DEF, then area of triangle ABC. So I am going to find the first area of triangle DEF. So using by short method, previous I explained, take 3 vertices in vertically. First one 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, and second one 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1, and third one 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0, and repeat the first vertex 1 comma 2. Now process I said, first to take the one product of these two, 1 into 1, 1, and 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, 2, minus, next product of these two, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0. So here 1 by 2, 1 plus 0, 1, plus 2, 3, minus 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Then we will get here 1 by 2 into 2 equal 1 square unit. We got 1 square unit area of triangle DEF. Now we have to find the area of given triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to of 0 comma minus 1, B 2 comma 1, and C 0 comma 3, and repeat the first vertex as it is minus 1. See clearly 0 comma minus 1, 2 1, 0 3, and repeat the 0 1. Now same method of product of these two, 0 into 1, 0, next product of these two, 2 3s are 6, and here 0 into minus 1, 0, now minus half, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 1 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0. Now here 1 by 2, 6, and minus 2, minus of minus plus 2, and we will get the 1 by 2 into 8 equal to 4 square units. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. What do you observe? The area of triangle formed by joining the midpoint of sides of a given triangle is 1 square unit. The area of triangle whose vertices are given 0 comma 1, 2 comma 1, and 0 comma 3 is 4. So we have to find the area ratio of this area. This area means area of triangle DEF to area of triangle ABC. So required ratio equal area of triangle which is found by joining of midpoint of sides of a triangle is 1 is to area of triangle ABC. This is the 4. So, dear children, area of triangle found by midpoint of sides of a triangle to given triangle is always 1 is to 4. And this result keep in your mind to write in examination in short answer questions. Now, another concept in the coordinate geometry, slope. Find the slope of the line passing through 4 comma minus 8 and 5 comma minus 2. How to find the slope of the line? Now I am write the slope of the line formula. Slope of the line y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Using this simple formula, you can find the slope of the straight line. Now here given points, here x1 and y1, here x2 and y2. Now y2 minus y1, difference of second coordinates y2 minus y1, minus 2 minus of y2 minus y1 minus 8 by x2 minus x1, x2 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4. Then we will get here minus 2 minus or minus become plus 8 by 5 minus 4 1. So minus 2 plus 8 how much? 6. 6 by 1 equal to 6. Very easy, no? Another problem, slope of this line. What is the slope formula? x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now here y2 minus y1, these are x1 and y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 minus b of minus 3b by x2 minus x1 a minus 2b. Then minus 1 minus 3 minus 4b by 1 minus 1 minus 1b, nothing but minus b. Now minus minus, so this is the a. So we will get here a minus 2a equal to minus a. So minus minus will be get cancelled. We will get here 4b by a. So slope of the line. What is slope of the line? Very easy. Suppose if it is a coordinate axis, let us have a straight line, and this straight line making with x-axis in positive direction. In positive direction means anti-clockwise direction is the theta. Then slope equal to tan theta. The slope of the line. This is called inclination of the line. Inclination of the line. The inclination of the line is the angle. This angle substitute in the tan ratio, we will get the slope of the line. Suppose if I take the another one, how to get this area slope of this line? This triangle, this straight line making with x-axis in the positive direction. In the positive direction means anti-clockwise direction is the theta. Then slope equal to tan theta. Suppose this is the 60 degrees, then we will get the, suppose this is the 60 degrees, then we will get the slope of the line tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 equal to root 3. So using this formula we have to find the slope of the line. Suppose if we given a straight line passing through given 2 points, to find the slope using y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Using this formula, you can get slope of the line. This slope of the line in exercise 7.3, I had explained 2 problems. There are 8 problems are there. Remaining 6 problems, do yourself, practice yourself. Now, this application of straight line, the slope concept, you can use in this case collinear. Let us suppose given points A 1 comma minus 1, B 4 comma 1 and C minus 2 comma minus 3. Find the slope of AB and slope of BC. Dear children, using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and find the slope of AB, slope of BC. If slope of AB equal to slope of BC, given points are collinears. Very easy. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC, these two become equal and given points are become a collinear. So, to check in shortest method whether given points are collinear or not, find the slope of first 2 points and slope of second 2 points, and if you get both are equal, then they become a collinear. It's a very shortest method. And in previous we solved this problem. If 8 comma 1, k gamma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 5 are collinear, then find k. This type of questions sometimes you may get in off-mark question, part B, and a competition exam, Polytechnic, TSR, WRS, in residential school will get. Then how to get the k value? Find the slope of, let us suppose this is the A, 8 comma 1, B, k comma minus 4 and C, 2 comma minus 4. Slope of AB equal to collinear points are given. So, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus minus 1. 4 minus 4 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. K minus 8. Very easily equal slope of BC y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus half minus plus 4 by x2 minus x1 2 minus k. Very easily y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 1 x2 minus x1 k minus 8, and here y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus half minus plus 4 x2 minus x1 2 minus k, and do the cross multiplication. Here minus 5 by k minus 8 equal minus 1 by 2 minus k. So, this equation, if you solve this equation, you will get k value. How easy solve this problem? So, when you get the half mark and competition exams, we have to take short term. To solve this problem in short term, using the slope concept, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, you can solve very easily, very less time. Thank you very much watching my video.